but you never tell them how it feels, how it feels, how it feels.
I hurt myself today to see if I still feel. I focus on the pain, the only thing that's real. The needle tears a hole, the old familiar sting. Try to kill it all away, but I remember everything. What have I become? My sweetest friend. Everyone I know goes away in the end. Oh, you could have it all. My empire of dirt, I will let you down. I will make you hurt. I wear this crown of thorns upon my liar's chair, full of broken thoughts that I cannot repair. Beneath the stains of time, the feelings disappear. You are someone else, I am still right here. What have I become? My sweetest friend. Everyone I know goes away in the end. Oh, you could have it all. My empire of dirt, I will let you down. I will make you hurt. If I could start again, a million miles away, I will keep myself. I would find a way.
Okay guys, that was my rendition of Hurt by 9 Inch Nails. I did a rendition of Johnny Cash's version, so I hope you enjoyed it. And if you liked the video, like and subscribe. Thank you very much. Peace out.
Why did you leave me here to burn? I'm way too young to beat this hurt. I feel doomed in hotel rooms, staring straight up at the wall, counting wounds, and I am trying to numb them all. Do you care? Do you care? Why don't you care? I gave you all of me, my blood, my sweat, my heart, and my tears. Why don't you care? Why don't you care? I was there, I was there. when I'm here, I have questions for you. Number one, tell me who you think you are. You got some nerve trying to tear my faith apart. Number two, why would you try and play me for a fool? I should have never, ever, ever trusted you. Number three, why would you, who you swore that you would be? I have questions haunting me. I have questions for you. I have questions for you. I have questions for you. My name is safest in your mouth. Why'd you have to go and spit it out? Oh, your voice, it was the most familiar sound, but it sounds so dangerous to me now. I have questions for you. Number one, tell me who you think you are. You got some nerve trying to tear my faith apart. Number two, why would you try and play me for a fool? I should have never, ever, ever trusted you. Number three, why would you, who you swore that you would be? I have questions haunting me. Oh, I have questions for you. I have questions for you. I have questions for you. Do you care? Do you care? Why don't you care? I gave you all of me, my blood, my sweat, my heart, and my tears. Why don't you care? Why don't you care? Why don't you care? We watch the sun go down as we're walking. I spend the rest of my life standing here talking.
This song I dedicate to my best friend and my soul sister, Ali.
When we were young, we were the ones, the kings and queens. Oh yeah, we ruled the world. We smoked cigarettes, man, no regrets. Wish I could relive every single word. We've taken different paths and traveled different roads. I know we'll always end up on the same one when we're old. And when you're in the trenches and you're under fire, I will cover you. I know if I was dying on my knees, you would be the one to rescue me. And if you were drowned at sea, I'd give you my love so you could breathe. I got you, sister. I got you, sister. I got you, sister. You're my soul sister. Oh, sister, we go deeper than the ink beneath the skin of our tattoos. Though we don't share the same blood, you're my sister and I love you, that's the truth. We're living different lives, heaven only knows if we'll make it back with all our fingers and our toes. 5 years, 20 years, come back, we'll always be the same. If I was dying on my knees, you would be the one to rescue so you could breathe. I got you, sister. I got you, sister. I got you, sister. You're my soul sister. You just want attention. You don't want my heart. Maybe you just hate the thought of me with someone new. You just want attention. I knew it from the start. One opportunity to see everything you ever wanted in one moment. Would you take it or let it slip? Palms are sweaty, knees weak, arms are heavy. There's vomit on his sweater already. Mom's spaghetti is nervous. On the surface he looks calm and ready to drop bombs, but he keeps on forgetting what he wrote down. The whole crowd goes so loud, he opens his mouth, but the words won't come out. He's choking now, everybody's joking now. The clock runs out, time's up, over blast. Now back to reality. Oh, there goes gravity. Oh, there goes gravity. He's so mad, but he won't give up. That is, he know he won't have it. He knows his whole back to the road. It don't matter, he's dope, he knows that, but he's broke. So sad that he knows when he goes back to his mobile home. That's when he's back to the lab again. His whole rhapsody, go capture this moment. You You better lose yourself in the music the moment you own it. You better never let it go. You only get one shot, do not miss your chance to blow. Opportunity comes once in a lifetime. You better lose yourself in the music the moment you own. You better never let it go. You only get one shot, do not miss your chance to blow. Opportunity comes once in a lifetime. The soul's escaping through this hole that is gaping. This world is mine for the taking. Make me king as I move toward a new world order. I know my life is born. The superstar is close to postmodern. It only grows hotter. Home it grows hotter. He blows. It's all over. These girls is all on him. Coast to coast shows. He's known as a globetrotter. Lonely rose God only knows his grandfather. From home he's no father. Goes home and barely knows his own daughter. Hold your nose, cause here goes the cold water. His girls don't wanna know more, he's cold brother. Moved on to the next motor flows. He knows Dover, so naughty. So the soap opera is told it unfolds. I suppose his old partner. The beat goes on, ba-da-da-da-da. You better lose yourself in the music the moment you own it. You better never let it go. You only get one shot, do not miss your chance to blow. Opportunity comes once in a lifetime. You better lose yourself in the music the moment you own it. Better never let it go. You only get one shot, do not miss your chance to blow. Opportunity comes once in a lifetime. Oh, you better lose yourself. Lose yourself.
Они хотят со мной быть, но только твой. Любовь без остатка. Мы сходим с ума у всех на глазах. И нам все не важно. Опять карусель, по телу вновь дрожь. Еще один день, еще одна ночь. Еще один город, и снова к тебе. Все будто во сне, ты снова на мне. И мы набираем с ней скорость. Пустой хайвей, ночь вокруг невесомость. Я ее крепость, но это не новость. Она за мной, даже если я в пропасть. Вместе мы 100 раз сильнее, чем порознь. Греет, когда я вдали ее голос. Вместе мы высоко, под нами облака. Она моей ДНК. Ты моим венам так откровенно. С дымом проникаешь в мой организм. И я тебя вдыхаю постепенно. Я на тебя подсел, на тебя завис. Ты голову дурманишь необыкновенно. И все вокруг в тумане, я закрою глаза. Мы с тобой взлетаем выше неба. Нам так офигенно. 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 Нам так офигенно. 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 Нам так офигенно. Танцуем нон-стоп, рисуем всю ночь. Между мной и тобой так далеко. Сплю и вижу сон, где получаю все. И это так легко. Ты по моим венам так откровенно. С дымом проникаешь в мой организм. И я тебя вдыхаю постепенно. Я на тебя подсел, на тебя завис. Ты голову дурманишь необыкновенно. И все вокруг в тумане, я закрою глаза. Мы с тобой взлетаем выше неба. Нам так офигенно. 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 Нам так офигенно.
Don't let them know what you're thinking. I bet you never tell them how it feels. How it feels. Live a life so